In this video, you're going to see the greatest ukulele ever created. This is a KoAloha Silver Anniversary Red Label Tenor 001. Welcome to ukelikethepros. I'm Terry Carter. Thanks for being here. Also, thanks for subscribing to the channel and turning on that bell notification. This is very, very, very special. This right here, first of all, you can't even get this without being in business for 25 years, making the best ukuleles on the planet. So 25-year silver anniversary from KoAloha. This is their red label. Okay, this is not their normal production line, which are amazing, but this is their red label. And this is the highest that they're building this year. They're not making any black labels this year. And this one is all solid mango and flamed maple sides and back. Just look at that. Look at that. This one I'm naming the King. We're going to go over it right now, play it, show you the specs, and of course, if you want this one, it's only available at one place, store.ukelikethepros.com. This thing, I mean, it feels as good as it sounds, as well as it looks. These things, they take so much time to make. So there's so much love, there's so much care taken into these red labels. That's absolutely stunning. It's amazing to play. I struggle with even doing anything with it except keeping it, because they're just really, this is a part of history right here. You know, this is going to be something that's going to be really cherished, but it needs to be played. This is not an ukulele. You don't need to sit on the wall. This thing should be played, just admired as you play. So I already showed you the amazing solid mango. What's unusual about it, as far as the red label, is you got the beautiful rosette, which they don't do a whole lot of. You also got the beautiful binding that goes all the way around. Look at this. Look at that flame maple on it, all the way on the other side. And then just this beautiful curl in this wood. It's just absolutely stunning. The sound is just, it's crisp, it's clear, and that's what you should expect from the maple. And the mango is a really nice, soft, warm sound. So you got that mango top with that kind of crisp maple on the back. It just produces a sound unlike anything else that you hear. And I'll do a little bit more playing as well. Now, the red label necks are slightly different than our production necks. They're just a little bit thinner, just a really nice, easy to play here. You do have the hip shot tuners, which are really, really nice tuning pegs here. They also put the ebony head plate on, as well as the red label KoAloha logo there. You got 1.5 inches here. Also, they do this really nice thing with the ebony as it comes up the neck, and you have it comes right up into the headstock as well here. So right there is really, really beautiful. And did you notice in the fretboard right here, the 25-year anniversary right there. So absolutely stunning, stunning. Let me do some more playing. We'll talk just a little bit more about it. Now, when I got this, I had the option of staining it. KoAloha's got some great stains, some blues and some blacks and some reds. I had the option of staining it. I decided to keep it just natural because I don't know. This to me, it just is just such a beautiful wood, and just I want that wood to express itself. I want it to breathe and just sound and sing when you play. So I kept it just natural, and I thought for number one, it was just appropriate that we do this. So this is a real special ukulele. This is a really, really special ukulele. So if this is something that you feel like you need in your collection, just know that you're getting a piece of history. They're only made 10 of these mangoes tenors, 10 of the concerts. They are going to do some more silvers, but they're going to be a different wood. So this is it. And by the way, it is numbered inside, and it has a silver anniversary label. And what's really cool is you're going to get this really cool case. So this is a really unique case because you have the clear top. It's actually really nice and solid. It's a really nice case, protective, looks good, and you can see your instrument right in here. So you're going to get this case as well. And we got a couple other bonuses and specials for you because only we do it just like here at store.ukelikethepros.com. So anyway, this right here again, Silver Anniversary Red Label KoAloha. This one is 001. I'm calling it the King. Appropriate name, I think. And it's available at store.ukelikethepros.com. Thanks for being here, and we'll see you soon.